Hello! Welcome back to my little video channel. Been a while since I made a video, as I always keep saying. Not riding my bike as much as lately. With this crazy world we're living in at the moment, with petrol prices, excuse me, and etc. Unfortunately, I've lost my job, got made redundant, so hence the reason I'm not using bike as much as I like to. But when I do go out, it's nice to get on two wheels again. In a strange way, kind of pleased I didn't go for a bigger bike now after losing my job. It's this little beastie. It's very good on petrol or gas, as my American friends say, and it's still fun. As somebody always says to me, things happen for a reason. I would still love a bigger bike though. I won't lie. Really would like a bigger bike, but I've got to be grateful for what we got. Somewhere to live. I've got my bike. I've still got my car. Granted, I don't really use it much. When I want it, it's there. Oh yeah, I've had that car now 3 years, not spent a penny on it apart from gas, petrol should I say. And when I got redundant I thought I'd get everything sorted on it, because last year MOT advised me to get some new tyres, not just one, not just two, but the whole bloody lot, 4, which is not good. So I replaced them, 4 new tyres and a new battery, so that should be good for the next MOT. And the battery was the main thing, because I should probably gather I'll leave my car for weeks on end. I don't even start it or drive it or anything. And that's why I got a new battery and spent a bit of money on the old car for a change. Got to bear in mind my car now is a 2004, so that's 22 years old, nearly as old as me. I've only got a little car though, a little Master. It's like an MPV, a mini one, antis, not very popular. Very rare you see many about. Well, it's a good little car, for winter, ideal, etc. Yeah, so that's probably the main reasons why I've not made a video for a while, because I've not been on my bike. As you probably can understand the situation, where you got to cut back on things, save on cost. Yeah, a bit of a depressing video, isn't it? Never mind, all good fun. Oh, these roads are getting worse. Never mind, all good fun. Anyway, just a short little video today, because I've got to nip in here. Hopefully I'll make some more videos very soon, because I miss riding my bike, etc. Yeah, look at that back. Can't know where to park. Yeah, one here, look. One here. Yes, I do. Anyway, thanks for watching this little video. as I always say, keep smiling. Bye for now.